All right, in just a few minutes here, we're about to meet the man. His phone is currently lost in my pocket, and we'll soon be found. So let's see how awesome this goes. All right, well, here I am in Park City. Got an Airbnb for the weekend. All right, so I'm walking through Park City right now. Just had a quick lunch. There's a golf course right on the inside of these homes and back there, and it was just freaking gorgeous. These homes are ridiculous. Like, look at this guy's got a pond with like a deck, windows wrap around the entire house. But this is some baller shit out here in Park City. This is pretty cool. I'm right at the chairlift here, and it takes you right into the restaurant shopping area right there. Well, it's starting to rain. Okay, rain's gone, sun's out, blue skies. All the different trees out here, crazy. Look at these, yellow across the way. Just shitload of pine, which is kind of neat. But rain's gone, blue skies, sun's shining. Feeling good. Made it to the mother lode. I found this nice lake on the map that I'm gonna try to hit. Found my lake. And there you have it. In all its glory. And well, this is my turnaround point. Let's see, I've done 7.81 miles in 3.5 hours. These are all so random. Why are all these red trees here? Also randomly, I found somebody's phone. Somebody on here's name is Ben. It's kind of funny. The person's phone that I found on the trail, they called me like 2 minutes ago and said, why hello there. They were pretty freaking thrilled that I answered. So I'm about to meet up with this dude at the trailhead and give him back his phone and turn his shitty night into a good one. Yo!
Wow.
Yeah, dude. Man. The odds of that happening were very low.
Dude, I had a backpack on. I had it in the chest pocket. I think it just bounced out. I got home and I was like, oh shit.
Yeah.
Went on to find my iPhone on my computer and I was like, all right, I kind of see where it is. And then it like refreshed. 5 minutes later, I was like, just moved. And now it's all the way down on Spiro. Like, what's good? And then, yeah, and I was like, all right, someone must have it.
Yeah.
Well, hey, really appreciate it.
Of course.
Was,
yeah.
Really lucky. I was just, that's not a great way to end the trip. I knew the battery was getting low.
Yeah.
So I was like, we're going to be out there tomorrow.
Yeah, I tried to see if my USB-C would fit into there, but I think it's Thunderbolt 3 because it's Apple.
Oh, okay.
And I was like, no, and I didn't have like one of those like wireless chargers, you know. I was gonna try to throw it on there, and I was like, do I have one at the Airbnb? I was like, no. Like, fuck.
Well,
but
worked out really well.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, of course. Have a good trip.
One.
Yep. Well, that was pretty great.